Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce with Sweet Baby Ray's. First, grab an 18-ounce bottle of your favorite Sweet Baby Ray's BBQ sauce. This will be our delicious foundation. To introduce a pleasant tang, incorporate 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For those who enjoy a richer, sweeter profile, stir in 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and smooth. This simple step elevates the base flavor significantly. To deepen the flavor profile, let's add some key spices. A teaspoon of smoked paprika will infuse a wonderful, subtle smokiness into your sauce. For an aromatic kick, half a teaspoon of garlic powder works wonders, enhancing the overall savory notes. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. It provides a fantastic umami depth that truly rounds out the flavor. Combine these ingredients well, ensuring they are fully integrated into the sauce for a harmonious blend. Now let's talk about adding some excitement. If you like a bit of heat, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper will give your sauce a noticeable kick. For more complex, tangy edge, try incorporating 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. It adds a sophisticated layer of flavor. Feeling adventurous? 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice can introduce a delightful fruity sweetness, perfect for pork or chicken. Taste as you go and adjust these additions to suit your personal preference. Once your sauce is mixed, gently simmer it on low heat for about 10 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a more cohesive and delicious result. After cooling, transfer your custom BBQ sauce to an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, ready for your next cookout. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible homemade Sweet Baby Ray's creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.